welcome to this HDB executive Maisonette home that features a clean, woody white, modern, contemporary, themed design with a pinch of luxury feel. Open kitchen, in general, is perfect for casual family living and entertaining, especially where there is a large kitchen island. It encourages seamless movement and interaction in the home space, eliminating the barrier between walls, giving it the illusion of having more space. The material of the railing of the stairs is chosen to be sleek yet unique, with a round ending design. The bedroom is where most people spend their time regenerating, reset, and that's also the reason why it has got to be as comfortable and relaxing as possible. With limited space in the bedroom, homeowners are always on the lookout for smarter solutions that can help them in maximizing space and make the most of what they have. Taking advantage of a taller platform bed that is able to pack plenty more storage in the room helps provide more storage space, as well as having it as accessible.